All right. Good morning, dear listeners and everyone that can view this class. Welcome to chemistry class. And the topic we're looking at today is a very crucial one, which refers to as the concept of isotopy and isotopes. If you look at it quickly, isotopy is a phenomenon whereby an element exists in two. It's a situation whereby an element exists in two or more forms. Two or more forms. But there's something that is unique here, having the same atomic number, but different mass number. That's a mistake there. Having the same atomic number, but different mass number. So when we look at isotopes, because it's important we be able to differentiate the two whenever you ask. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element. The other things follows there, having the same atomic number, but different mass number due to change, due to change in their neutron, due to changes in their neutrons, due to changes in their neutrons. Okay, that's what the two things are. So if you look at it, the difference thing is there is that isotopy is the process. It's a process whereby an element exists in two or more forms. So it is a process whereby a particular element exists in two or more forms, in which the forms in which it exists have the same atomic number but different mass number. That's the concept of isotopy. And while isotopes are now the atoms of the same element, these are the fragments in which the original element is existing. The fragment, the form in which the original element is existing, the fragment in which is splitted itself into, that's what we refer to as the atoms. That's what we refer to as the isotopes of the elements. So they have the same atomic number, but different mass number due to changes in their neutrons. You know, one unique thing about this, we use these particular things. I'm going to be using these symbols here to represent the how we represent the symbols of isotopes. X here, and then I have A here, capital letter A, and then written at the upper subscript at the left-hand side, and at the superscript rather. Then at the subscript level, we have Z. At the subscript level, we have Z. So I'm going to be labeling these so we can be able to understand this thing better for better understanding. And then this Z, this A here, and what my X here is representing, we're going to be looking at it one after the other quickly. So what this A is means here is what? Is the mass number. Mass number. That's what it means. The mass number. Why the X is representing the symbol of an element. Symbol of an element. The symbol of an element, okay? Symbol. And why the Z here represents atomic number. Represents the atomic number. Oh, beautiful. So if we look at this thing together here, mass number. Oh, let me just quickly check this. This is out. There's a mistake here. This number here. Okay, that's good. So if we look at this, when we have anything written like this, and then we come down like this, we refer to it as nuclear symbol. What did I call it? Nuclear. So when a question asks you to write the nuclear symbol of an element, this is exactly what they means. The X here represent the symbol of an element. The A represent the mass number, and the Z represent the atomic number. Of course, you know what the mass number is. The mass number is the addition of the proton and the neutrons in the nucleus of an element, while atomic number is the number of proton present in the nucleus of an atom. That is the atomic number. So this is a nuclear symbol. Now, the next thing that we're going to be looking at is to look at a new at the examples under this, and we're going to be looking at that examples in our next class. Thank you and God bless.